Ok, allora, seconda parte, part 2. Now, one important thing to remember is, someone asked me, what if you have a word and the article, the typical article, wouldn't be il or la? Let's say I'm talking about amico, okay? We all know that amico, see, starts with a vowel. So the article for amico, which is maschile singolare, it's L'. Now the reason why it's L' is for a reason of pronunciation. The article changes according to what it is the first word straight after. Now if I put something in between, if I put something between L and amico, the old L' might not mean anything anymore. So for example, if I have amico, but I want to say my friend, so I say mio, because it's masculine. Now the L' in front of M doesn't need to be. So the article is il. So it will always be il, la, I, or le. You will never see anything like le' nostro. It's impossible. Okay? So just because amico starts with a vowel and this would be the correct article, it would be the correct article if nostro wasn't there. But because nostro is there, it doesn't mean to be there anymore. The article is il. Now, eccezioni, very important. So we have some exceptions. We said we need to put the article in front all the time. Now, there is an exception. The only time you don't put the article is when you are referring to a family member singular. Okay? So, eccezione number 1, it's famiglia. Okay? So we're talking about a family member. Famiglia. Singolare. It's very important, this one. Singolare. If it is plurale, things might change. So it has to be a single family member. So for example, we could say mia sorella. Okay? Family member, singular. I do not put the article in front. Or could be tuo fratello. Brother, your brother. Fratello, singular member. Normally I would put the article. I don't put the article. So this is what happens with family members singular. Now careful. This exception goes back to the old rule of having the article in 2 occasions. If I have family member, famiglia plurale, all goes back to normal. So I will say, let me put it closer to you, le mie sorelle. It's more than one sister, it's plural, that's how the article is in there. Or I miei fratelli. Okay, it's plural, that's why I put the article. The other time when I put the article back is if it's not just a simple my brother, my sister, my grandmother, but you add something to it. My beautiful grandmother, my little brother, my young sister. Okay, so I am attaching something. So if I attach something, so I give you a couple of examples. La mia bella sorella. Okay, it's not just my sister, I'm actually using something that defines her as beautiful. Because I'm using that, the article comes back. Or if I would say la tua nonnina. So now it's not obvious that I have something attached, but can you see this ina? Ina means little or cute. So I'm talking about my little grandma. Because I have attached something to it, the article comes back. Okay, so just to summarize, the possessive change according to the object that I own, not to my gender, the actual owner of the object. It could be maschile femminile, singolare, or maschile femminile plurale, so that it depends on, again, the object. Normally, the article goes in the front. The article doesn't go in the front when I'm talking about family member singular. Mia sorella, tuo fratello, sua nonna, mio cugino, okay? Just a singular member of a family. When it's more than one family member, so when we go back into plural, then the article comes back. Le mie sorelle, I miei fratelli. When I attach something, bella, brutta, simpatica, giovane, okay? So I attach an adjective, a qualification to the member in the family, which could even be something little, like attaching ina as a meaning of little, then the article comes back. So I hope you understood that. Any question, please let me know.